Trump once asserted that a president facing criminal charges would bring the government to a standstill and spark a constitutional crisis. CNN years before he was indicted on federal charges, while competing for a second term as president, former President Donald Trump declared in 2016 that a president facing charges would cripple the operations of our government and cause an unprecedented constitutional crisis. During the 2016 presidential campaign, Trump said the same about Hillary Clinton almost 7 years ago. In a campaign event on November 5, 2016, Trump claimed, "We could very well have a sitting president under felony indictment and ultimately a criminal trial." The remarks were captured by CNN's K file. Government would come to a halt as a result. Just a few days earlier, on October 28, the FBI's then-director James Comey made a public announcement announcing that the agency had restarted its investigation into how Clinton handled sensitive information in connection with her use of a personal email server while she served as Secretary of State. After being charged in early June with 37 federal offenses relating to the preservation of sensitive documents and conspiracy to obstruct justice, Trump now finds himself in the precise circumstance he frequently described. The case's judge had tentatively scheduled the trial for mid-August, but it is likely to be delayed. A December trial was requested by the Office of the Special Counsel. The trial's start date is flexible, so it's unclear whether the lawsuit will be resolved before the 2024 election. However, even if found guilty, current front-runner for the Republican presidential nomination, Donald Trump will not be banned from office. He had stated to Politico in June that he would not withdraw from the campaign regardless of the outcome of the trial. Trump said identical things on November 3, 2016, at a different event in Concord, North Carolina. He claimed that if she were to prevail, there would be an unparalleled constitutional crisis that would make it impossible for our country to function. She will probably be the subject of an inquiry for many years, and I predict that it will lead to a criminal trial. I suggest that you look. The future, but that is exactly how it appears to be. You are aware that she has no right to be running, Trump continued. No right. At a rally in Denver on November 5, 2016, Trump claimed that Clinton's scandals would make it virtually impossible for her to govern because she would be the prime suspect in a far-reaching criminal investigation. The remarks from Trump's previous campaigns are not the only ones that could not have held up well in light of his legal issues. In another re-election campaign remark, Trump admitted that only the president in office may disclose sensitive information. CNN previously stated that Trump said that as president, he could have declassified a paper outlining plans to attack Iran that he was showing aides after leaving office, but that he realized he could not do so now that he is no longer in that position. This was based on an exclusive audio recording obtained by CNN. At a rally in Pennsylvania in September 2020, Trump mentioned his discussions about nuclear weapons with author Bob Woodward. "And you know the newspapers and the press and the fake news they went and said he just gave away classified information," he added. "First of all, as president, I have the authority to act as I like. I'm the only one who is permitted. I'm the only one." According to a CNN file piece from September, Trump had previously advocated for anyone who misused secret information to face lengthy prison terms.